That's a pretty good crush. Number 4. Go. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This is, I think we're out of cans.
We might be out of cans. This might be the end of the full auto can crusher video. If you didn't like it, too bad. It's going to hold the axle shafts for the new can crusher. Got all 4 of these bearings for $8 off Amazon. So I got this shaft out of a old transmission. I got these 2 lawnmower tires. And the original shaft out of a lawnmower transmission wasn't long enough. It's a steering shaft out of probably an LT1000 in structure of the new can crusher. Weld a pulley or something right here. Does not have bearings.
Cans are going to be fed into here from a hopper, and this tire spinning is going to suck them through and crush them, and they'll go into a can at the bottom.
My first attempt at a can crusher was a little more ridiculous and more just a funny video. This is going to be a practical can crusher of my whole contraption mounted to an old lawnmower frame. Actually, the frame of the original wood. It is self-tapered to the frame, to the 2x4s, so it's held pretty well. Same way over here. If I air this tire up a little more, they'll actually interact a lot better. I was worried that I might not have enough power, so if there's space in between, I won't have to crush it all the way, or I can inflate the tires all the way and it'll crush them all. Now it's mounted to this frame. I have a spot to put my electric motor over here and hook a pulley right up to this drive shaft. I'm going to weld the drive shaft right there. Okay, so I got a pulley on here. I got a little weld in there, and now the whole thing spins pretty good. The motor is kind of half-ass mounted. The belt's pretty tight, and the motor does actually spin the right way. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it seems like the motor doesn't have enough power to start it. Maybe if I do that and then kick it. Yeah, so it's spinning up right now. Oh, that motor's smoking. That's not good. This is way too high of gearing. And way too high gear ratio. I'm just going to try running on the shaft. I don't have high expectation.
Plug it in. 3, 2, 1. Wait, it's not spinning up. Not quite.
Oh. Okay, that was bad. It's not promising.
Okay.
We're going to have to up the air pressure.
Just on wood, this shaft doesn't have any bearings. That would be good to get some grease in it.
Sure.
I think it'll help not wear the wood as quick.
Oh, I know. That would be terrible if that wood wore down.
Well, you're making fun of me for trying to put grease on.
No, I'm not. We could put a couple of guards up to keep the cans from flying out.
Yeah, that's all we need. You want to get a shot of the greasy bugs for the camera does? Can crushing version 2, test number 6.
Or so.
Dude, that's pretty good.
Oh, that's much.
Can crusher number 2, attempt number 8.
There it goes. Can't really see what's happening.
You don't need to see what's happening, Alex. Can crusher number 2, attempt number 9, or test number 9. So right now we're tracing out a can crusher pulley. This is going to be a pretty serious gear reduction. crusher number 2, test 10, new wooden pulley, 1 foot diameter.
Within arm's reach.
It's got too much tension on it. So can crusher number 2, test
12-ish,
30-ish,
I don't know. Here we got them. Just got little tabs.
I was going to cut a whole circle. The bag needs modification.
Yeah. That's it. Just the bag. Nothing else.
So what do we do here, Dad? Do we hook?
Black and white.
Man, we're good.
Dayton Electric Manufacturing Company, and they're located, of course, in Chicago, Illinois.
To attempt number 15.
That's taking them, though.
Can crusher number 2, attempt 16.
Uh-oh.
Can crusher number 2, test number 18, I think. That's a pretty good crush. That's a pretty, like, that's two, test 19, water-filled can. Can crusher number 2, test 20, added the trash can catch bucket. Okay, that's a problem solved, I'd say. It's got some moving parts. You don't want to stick your finger like in there.
Well, we can put guards and
there,
stuff. It could have guards.
In there. You want to avoid this area. You don't want to get your hand in there.
Yeah, it is rubbing, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's rubbing right there. I didn't notice that. It likes